It's a bright sunny day for a solar panel install on the van. I've seen a lot of DIY solar racks, but the cheapest I've seen anyone do was around 400 bucks. And if what I'm piecing together actually works, this will be about a quarter of that cost. So for 100 bucks, I've built a DIY solar rack without drilling into the roof of the van. So let's get a look at it. Standing on the back portion of the van looking toward the front, you can see I've got two rails that go down. That is 3/4 inch angle aluminum, 1/8 inch thickness, and they run down and are mounted to the mounting points. They look like this right here. And so I have fabricated a bracket. Underneath the 3/4 angle is a 1-inch channel aluminum at 1/16 inch thickness. And then underneath that is a flat piece of 1/8 aluminum bar that I notched a channel, slid it underneath, so the little channel slid underneath, fastened this piece over top so it can't rotate, and then clamped it down with these through this, and it is on there. And so they run all the way down that side and all the way down this side. And this span right here, from here to here, is 59 inches across. And the solar panels I have are 100-watt solar panels that are 27.5 inches across, which gives me room to mount them directly between those and screw them into the sides. Okay, let's get a look at the back of the solar panels. These are 100-watt 9-busbar panels. This measurement from here to the other end of that panel is 27.5 inches. This one also 27.5 inches. So once I have spaced them correctly, here all the way to there is 59 inches. Will sit right between those two roof racks. And this piece of angle is holding them together with screws going into here and here, keeping it rigid so it mounts across. And it will actually rest on the roof of the van. The wires will run on the ridges of the roof and plug up and run to the back, where I will drill some holes through. It's very hard to see. Thank you, the sun. Solar day, right? Up on top of this, I will drill holes so that I don't have to go through the metal roof and then use the stuff you twist down and keep it watertight. That way they'll get into the van. All right, we got the 6 panels mounted. Take a look at this rail. So we got 3 screws through the angle aluminum into each panel. Very strong hold, stainless steel screws. You got the mounting point there and there. And the panels, actually, you can kind of see a little curve because they're laying right on top of the van, and I've got some padded rubber in between where the panels touch the van top. All the wires are routed underneath. I believe the junction is under this panel. Runs out 2 wires and into the housing for the backup camera. I decided to use the rest of the roof space to add 2 more 50-watt solar panels wired in series, plus 3 100-watt panels wired in parallel to create a 1,000-watt solar array.